Hello and welcome to today's tech tip. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set the default color and layer for new CheckMate CAD geometry. I've got a part in front of us and it's got a random CheckMate program in it, but that's not what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about creating CheckMate CAD. And if we go to the Assist ribbon, I can go to the Create CheckMate CAD here and go to the drop down so you can create points, lines, planes, or circles. And what we're going to do is we've got two new commands here now for setting the color over at the end of the ribbon here, setting the color for new geometry, or setting the default level for new geometry to CAD underbar geom. So we're going to do both of these at the same time. And when I do the second one, I want you to pay attention to my levels that I have on my screen here over in my browser. So let's select the first one, and I'm just going to create a nice orange color for it so it stands out. So we're going to set that default color to orange. And now I'm going to go here and set the default level for the new geometry. And it's just pressing the button. So let's test it and see if it works. So I'm going to do a CAD plane. So you can see it's created this CAD geometry level. But let's go in and create my CheckMate plane. So I'm just going to do 3 picks, and there it is. It's not hot, it's not selected, it's just orange. So there it is, and if I go over to the level here, I can go in and you can see it's the default. It's got a little check mark in it. But if I turn the level off, you can see it goes away. Turn it back on, and it comes back. So that's the new commands we've added to the Assist ribbon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.